Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be replacing wheel bearing hubs. Hopefully everything will go smooth. Got both hubs here. This is the I thought this was the rear, but I'm thinking this is the front now. I'm not sure. We'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the rear and that's the front. In theory, it should be pretty easy. To get this caliper out of the way, we're gonna need to come back here and remove this bolt right here. There's another one in the exact same spot on the bottom. Keep my hands out of the way. See that? Well, I rounded out this one. So I guess I'm moving on to the back. All right, man. Looks like I gotta drill this thing out. Drill off the head of the bolt. This is gonna be annoying. All right, this is gonna take a very long time, but I gotta stay here. I gotta get it done. So I'm just gonna do this off camera, and when I see you guys again, this bolt will have no head. Boys, I don't know what that point it came loose, but that thing is good to come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. What am I doing? I'm sorry, I just got so excited. Woo! So I'm gonna need some deep sockets. Is right on the back of this. There is 4 bolts holding it in. Okay, I had to run to AutoZone because I needed this big chungus right here, this 36 millimeter socket. As you can see here, this cannot be done with hand tools, and you're going to need something a lot more powerful than an impact wrench from Amazon to get this axle nut off. But once you do have the proper tools, it comes right off. You just beat the old one off with a hammer and slide the new one on. So if you like this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. Please subscribe. Make sure you get in time for the 250 subscriber giveaway. Thanks for watching. Peace.